Alright, in this tutorial we'll learn about key vault backup. This is very important concept because backup can be only done in the same subscription, number one, and number two in the same geographic location. So let's implement this in hands-on. So we are at the Azure console now. Let's go to key vault. Let's create key vault. Let's select our first resource group. Let's name our first key vault. So we'll be naming Cloud Guru Amit KV for key vault, East US for our region. That is, for this we have selected East US region, so that's why I have named the key vault as East US, because I'll be creating several key vaults with different region to show you the use case of backup, right? So let's go down. Tier will be standard. Let's reduce this to 30 days. This looks good. Let's go to next vault access policy. We'll select our username and email what's listed. So let's select our username. Next, everything looks good on the networking. We can go to directly review and create because we don't need tags. Let's click on the create button. Our first key vault deployment is in progress. We won't wait because we'll be creating key vaults for the second one. Let's go ahead and select similarly the same resource group. Now let's change the region first. So it's in US region, right? So let's select Central US. We got a notification for the first key vault is ready. Let's name our second key vault. This looks good. Let's reduce it to 30. So our second key vault is named as Cloud Guru Amit KV Central US. Central US because the region is this time Central US. So this is easy to identify that key vault named Central US in the end belongs to the region Central US, right? Similarly, let's go to next key vault access policy. Let's select our username and email from the list. Let's select this similarly. Let's directly go to review and create. Let's click on create. So our deployment for the second key vault is in progress. Let's proceed with the third key vault. Let's click on create. Next, same resource group will select. Now this time the region, let's select India region because this is geographically different region, right? Previously you have selected US, this time India. Let's name it in the end India, KV India, right? So this key vault is in different geographic location. So as mentioned in the architecture diagram, the criteria should be our key vault for the backup. It should be either like in the same subscription or like either like should be in the same geographic location, right? So it should, and also in the same subscription. So two criteria it needs to fulfill. So this key vault, if you look, will not satisfy the third second criteria, that is geographic location criteria, though it belongs to the same subscription and resource group, but since the region is different, so backup won't be successful. We'll see this. Let's go to next now. Similarly, let's select our username and email just like we have done for the two. Let's select this username. Let's click on review and create. Let's click on create for the third key vault. We'll wait for a while till all the third key vault is ready. Alright, it says deployment complete. So let's go to key vault. Here if we see, all our three key vaults are ready. So these two, since they belong to the same subscription and same geographic location, so backup and restore is possible between these two. But if I try to create secret in let's say US region and try to restore in India, it won't work. Similarly for East US, it won't work in India, and if I try to create secret in India, it won't work in the US regions. So let's test this concept. Let's go to Central US, the first one first. Now under objects, I have keys and secrets. I'll create one secret. Let's click on generate or import button. Upload, it will be like manual. Let's give it a secret name, maybe Cloud Guru Amit secret. Let's give it a value, and the value is something I am Cloud Guru Amit, right? So we will create this secret. We can also set activation date and expiration date. We can mention these for the secret to be when we want to get it active or expired. Those things are there, but for now we don't need it, right? So let's click on create. All right, our secret status, it shows enabled, so it's now ready. Let's open this, right? So now we will download the backup. So just please note the last three letters are DF7 for the secret. So let's download the backup on our local computer. So it says this pop-up. Let's click on download. Alright, I have saved the secret on my local computer now. So now the fun begins. Let the fun begin. So I'll go to the key vault now. Please note this secret belongs to KV Central US, that is the Central US region. Now let's go back, and now I'll open KV East US. So I'll try to restore the secret created in Central US, and we will restore the secret what's present on my local computer, what I've saved, to the another region, that is East US. As mentioned, the location, it belongs to the same geography, so perhaps it will succeed, but for India it won't succeed. So let's see whether it succeeds for East US or not. I'll go to secrets. Here we have the restore backup. Let's click on restore backup so that I can browse from my local computer. Alright, I have got the file where I have kept. Now let's try to restore. It shows the green sign, that is the secret. It displays the message has been successfully restored. So let's verify whether this is the same secret or not. Let's open this. If I check the last 3 digits, it's same, right? Just like the Central US region, that is DF7. Alright, if I try to view this, let me try to view the secret value. So secret, it shows I am Cloud Guru Amit, right? So it's the same secret we have successfully restored. Now let's check whether it successfully the same thing happens in India or not. Technically it shouldn't be able to restore in India because geographic location is different, right? Because India is not in US, so geographic location is different, so we won't be able to restore the secret created in US region, right, to India region. Let's implement this. We'll go to secret. Now let's click on restore backup. Similarly, I'll browse from my local computer the secret, and here it goes, the error message, an error occurred while restoring the secret. If I click on it, it shows malformed backup blob, the provided secret is malformed, cannot decrypt the blob, right? So that's what concludes the tutorial for the concept of key vault backup. To put everything in a nutshell, I'll repeat. If we create secrets in one region, one location, geographic location, it can be restored to other location. Central US and East US belongs to the same location, same geographic location, so we can restore it. And also, since these are belonging to the same subscription, that's why it succeeded. But for this key vault, it has failed. That is, for Cloud Guru Amit KV India, since the location is different, that's why it has failed. Though Cloud Guru Amit key vault lies in the same subscription, just like the above two, that is Cloud Guru Amit KV Central US and Cloud Guru Amit KV East US. Due to the location constraint, we are not able to restore the backup to Cloud Guru Amit KV India, that is Key Vault India. I hope you got this concept. Thank you so much for watching this video.